Hi, besties. I'm happy to have you guys here. This is a quick one, guys. In this less than 4 minutes video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily start to vent the hairline of your face. Okay, I've already started. I just want to show you guys what I was doing all along. Okay, so I am going to be skipping a diagonal line, and I will start. You can see I started on the line, just the hole on the hairline. Okay, the lace is marked. As you can see, the hairline is already marked, so I just started on the hole on that hairline. Okay, and I'm venting using the diagonal pattern. Even though you are making use of the vertical horizontal pattern, is still the same thing. So I'm going to be skipping a line, and again I will start on the next line, just the hole on that hairline. I'm not going to be um exceeding the marked hairline. Okay, I'm not going to be exceeding the marked hairline. I'll just follow the hairline. If I get to a place where the hairline is curved, it means that I am going to be curving just the way the hairline is. I hope you guys understand what I mean. So this is just what I will continue doing. And of course, you should reduce the amount of strands you are picking whenever you're working on your hairline. Not just your hairline. Once you get to the close to the hairline, an inch close to the hairline, you have to reduce the amount of strands of hair that you are picking. Okay, so guys, if this is the first time you're coming back my channel, this is what I do here. I make tutorial videos on how to ventilate, how to make closures, frontals, how to make your hair, how to make braided wigs, simple hairstyle you can do yourself, how to grow your hair, basically everything about hair. That is what I do on this channel. Okay, so if it sounds like something you'll be interested in, you want to learn so many things about hairs, wigs, okay, then you have to join the family by hitting that subscribe button. And if I get to join me, just do that, turn on the notification bell so that once I upload new videos, you can get notified. And you're always free to drop your questions under the comment section. If you have any question for me, just go ahead and drop it in this comment section. I'll be very glad to. So guys, I'll be very glad to help you with all your questions. My happiness is that people are learning a whole lot from my space here. People learn how to make wigs, people learn how to ventilate, people learn a whole lot of things from me, and that's my happiness. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next upload. I hope this simple less than 4 minute video is able to guide you on how you can start venting the front side of your hairline. Bye.